and then we gotta kind of hustle. So this is us trying to rope drop Animal Kingdom. And we are inside Animal Kingdom, and it's good to be back. The last time Marcus and I were here, it was just a couple months before they opened the whole Pandora area. So we could see that it was finished, but we couldn't go inside. And we are approaching the area where the fence was that we stood in front of last time. So we are about to enter the area that we've never been in before. And it's right here. So this is all new for us. And I can't wait to see this at night. And this is the line of people waiting to get into the line for Flight of Passage. This does seem like a lot of people, but when you consider that I don't think anybody's in the actual waiting area yet, I don't know. We're still gonna go for it. We just wanna see what this experience is like, really getting here right away and being the first people, well, the first people in the line in the morning. It keeps going and going and going. So we're still technically walking away from the line, but it's now 8 o'clock, so now the park is open and the line is moving in big chunks. We've now been in the great big line for about 20 minutes, and now, after about 20 minutes, we are now in like the real line. I was wrong. We weren't in the real line yet. That's still ahead of us. it seems we're getting closer to the actual action. It's been exactly 2 hours since we stopped out on the bridge. So now we're in this bunker area left over from the mining operation here on the planet. And hopefully soon we'll be matched up with our flying creatures.
Put on your flight visors. For your safety, throughout this entire experience, remain seated, lean forward, holding onto the hand grips, and supervise your trip.
Well, that was impressive. Definitely. It's like, yeah, I mean, if you like Soarin', then it feels so real. It feels so unbelievably real. I don't really know what to say about it, and I don't want to describe the whole thing to you because that would be kind of a spoiler, but I'm not disappointed that I just waited 2 hours for it, I'll tell you that much. I wouldn't like go right back in line for it right now because there's just a lot of other things I want to do today, but yeah, thumbs up. And now we're gonna do this. We're back out in the park now, and because we don't have fast passes for anything, it feels kind of freeing, actually. Like, I feel like, you know, we have the same cards no matter where we go now. We're gonna have to wait in the standby line, so it's kind of like, I don't know, there's something kind of nice about it to just be, yeah, open to go anywhere and not be set to any appointment time. Geez, the bug sounds here are maybe a little bit too loud, Disney. A little bit too loud. The wait times are kind of high. So we're just gonna sort of spontaneously walk around and then decide what it is we do next. The centerpiece of the park here at Animal Kingdom is the Tree of Life. Epcot has its Spaceship Earth, Magic Kingdom has the castle, and Animal Kingdom has the Tree of Life. And inside the Tree of Life is an attraction called Tough to Be a Bug, which seems like it would be for kids, but it's actually kind of scary. Every time we do it, people end up taking their screaming kids out. And I actually saw an adult woman run out screaming as well. This park is just so beautiful. I love just walking around and looking at things. Do you guys do that too? Like, I mean, in between the rides, of course. That was a pretty good safari. We got really close to several of the animals and then they had to stop a few times because they were crossing. And that's always cool when that happens. That just sort of reminds you that it's really real and that it can be different every time. We're walking back to Pandora now to go to the cantina there. And we're crossing the path now, or we are at the point now where we were this morning, where the line was. And it's just interesting to see that the line is gone now. the Satu'li Cantina, that's what it's called, right? That was a really nice lunch. I felt like it was very healthy after the veggie burger and fries I had last night in the Pop Century. I wasn't feeling too hot, but just the nice rice and the tofu, and I think it was like sort of like coleslaw on top of that. That was pretty tasty. Marcus got also something with beef or roast beef or something, and that looked really good too, and he was also very happy about that. I'm not feeling like the park today is like super crowded. I can't say that I've ever been here on a day when it's been more crowded than this, but I still don't feel like it's like out of control crowded. You know what I mean? Maybe you do, maybe you don't. When we entered the park today, we didn't have fast passes for anything, and now I've managed to get fast passes for Everest, Dinosaur, and the preferred viewing area for the nighttime show, Rivers of Light. So that's a cool thing. And we're on our way to Expedition Everest right now, which is, of course, one of my favorite Disney attractions anywhere, and one of the coolest things here in the park. Want to take a little ride? Sorry, I tried to film on Everest, but as you saw, it didn't really work out that well. And I forgot how intense that backwards part is on that ride. I actually, in order to really survive it the best and not feel sick afterwards, then during the backwards part, I have to turn around and like look out the side forward. Does anybody else have to do that? That's, you know, like, I don't feel like I'm gonna throw up now, but it definitely made me feel really nauseous. And of course, that's not a good feeling, so I try to do that every time. And I just sort of, I don't know, I forgot about it this time. We're on our way back to Pandora, and we're gonna try to do standby for the Navi River journey. It says here the standby time is 120 minutes, but it's basically the only thing that we really wanna do left in the park today that we haven't done yet, so we're gonna go for it. go to the bathroom. Just kidding. The lights are coming on here in Animal Kingdom, which is something that's kind of new for us. I don't know if we've ever been to Animal Kingdom during like the full-on darkness nighttime, because they used to not have it open at night, but now they've added certain things for nighttime like Rivers of Light. But anyways, as the light gets darker, vlogging, you know, like actually talking to the camera, gets more difficult because it just doesn't look good. And I don't know if, I don't know how this is going to turn out anyways, because like I said in the beginning, this is the first time trying it with this new telephone. So I am going to leave you. Oh, can you see Everest in the back there? Nice. I'm going to leave you with some nice nighttime views of Rivers of Light and of Pandora.